Picture this: a round-the-clock influencer who handles writing posts, making videos, and even closing sales while you're catching some Z's. Welcome to Influenx AI, the world's first app that turns a blank screen into your very own full-time influencer. It posts, chats, and sells for you around the clock on all major platforms and in any language. No need to show your face. With just one click, you can kickstart a fully branded AI influencer empire from scratch. No camera, no followers, and no experience required. Just choose a voice and look, then let your AI handle the rest. Check out the amazing features of Influenx AI. Create and launch a hyper-realistic AI influencer that works around the clock, posting, chatting, and selling for you. No need for a camera, face, or voice. Influenx builds your influencer empire in less than a minute. Speak to global audiences in any language with perfect human-like emotion. Just upload a PDF, doc, website link, product page, or prompt, and your AI instantly knows what to sell. Train it in seconds. Turn inactive pages into viral machines with AI influencers that never take a day off. Offer AI influencer services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or even to local clients within just one day. Create unlimited AI influencers with different looks and voices across various niches and languages. Break into Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn all at once. Your AI influencer will auto-post viral content on every major platform without you lifting a finger. Charge local businesses $500 plus by renting out your AI influencer as their brand face while keeping all the profit. It handles posts and sales conversations without you having to log into Influenx. With built-in features like an AI chatbot that sells like a pro sales rep and an image creator that's top-notch, plus video creation that's so realistic it's almost eerie, you'll have everything covered. The content calendar organizes everything for you while real-time analytics show what's working best. Recycle your top posts automatically for endless traffic without any subscriptions or limits needed, no experience required. If you can click a mouse button, then launching an entire full-blown AI influencer is within reach today. Post 10 times more content effortlessly because Influenx does it all for you. And enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Instant free access including commercial rights, so there are no worries about profits either. Build your AI influencer empire in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Just hop onto the Influenx AI dashboard and get everything rolling with a single click. No need for experience, setup, or waiting around. Step 2. Choose. Pick from a variety of super realistic AI influencers, or even clone yourself, and let the system instantly craft your brand, content, and voice. Step 3. Automate. With one click, launch your AI across Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, you name it, and watch it post, chat, and sell non-stop on autopilot. Imagine this: an AI influencer that chats in any language, connects with your audience, and makes money 24/7. Tons of entrepreneurs are already using Influenx AI to boost their brand without the hassle of old-school marketing. Your goals for financial freedom and online success are closer than you think. Check out Influenx now. It's your go-to for creating, cloning, and streaming real-time AI that works around the clock, connects you with others, and helps you earn 24/7. Just click the link below to dive in.